What is SNMP?
Yes, it's for discovery protocol. Yes, so today we will discuss about yes, simple network management, manage the device or the network. This is used to manage the network, the whole network. In the network, it can manage router, ASA, no firewall, we are Cisco. Okay, Pix is removed. It is not sell now. In May 2005, in May 2005, it is removed. Now, you know that, yes, yesterday we discussed about SNMP, right? How we can manage, right?
Yeah.
Now let's talk about the components. This is PC, switch, router, and ASA. So it has three components, right? Three component. Okay.
Okay.
The first component is NMS, network management station. The device that will manage the network. So in this is the network management station. The PC, he will manage the all the devices. Maybe he wants to change the host name of the router. So this we can do through this PC, but make sure SNMP is running. So this is yes, you can manage the whole network. Whole network. In whole network, we need to take the CLI. Suppose you want to change the host name, you can do it by the this. He can give you GUI access of the devices also. It depends upon the software that you are running because there are different software for SNMP. Expensive, some are expensive, means more features. Yes, you have to purchase the license. Like in free, you can only manage 5 devices. So if you want to extend from that, and the features are limited, you cannot do something. Nothing you cannot do. You need to purchase the license. If you purchase the license, this means money. Yes. If you want to buy a router, money. If you want to communicate with your PC to the router, you need cable. Cable means money. Money. It is used to manage. Nothing is free, Bryce. Nothing is free. No, except your sleep. Everything is expensive. It is used to manage the devices. Example, a PC, a laptop. I can manage the network through PC or laptop. Okay. Now the second one is SNMP client. The things those are managed by the NMS. See, I told that it is used to manage the devices, the things that are managed by the NMS. So NMS can manage. Example here is router, switch, ASA. So these are the clients. It's like this. This is NMS. These are client. Because they will take the order from the NMS. If NMS says change your host name, they will take the order. They will say, give me the information about your CPU. That what is the CPU percentage? They will give the information. So these are clients. Okay. Works in which? SNMP. Right. SNMP. OSI layer. SNMP OSI layer.
OSI layer. Which layer? 1735 layer.
Yes. Perfect.
Application layer.
Because we are getting a GUI. SNMP is GUI.
There is only this open source software.
Okay, Bryce, you are correct. Now, if you say something, maybe it can be wrong.
You're wrong again.
So don't say anything. You are right. That's it. MIB. The third component is MIB. Yes. Management information base. So this is the information. It is a storage area where the information of the devices will be stored. Maybe I derived so much information from the device. Suppose I took all the running configuration of R1, okay, and I took all the running configuration of ASA. I need to store them, right? Maybe I can use external server. I will store all the information on the server. That server is called MI Management Information Base. Components are clear. Three components. Network management station through which I will manage the whole devices. SNMP client through which the devices are managed. No, the software that is managing the devices like ASA, firewall, these are clients. The things those are managed by the NMS Network Management Station. Maybe a router, maybe a switch, maybe a ASA. And management information where all the information is stored. The information is stored in the form of variables. Okay. Now we discussed about versions, right? SNMP works on UDP. Okay. Port. Okay. It works on two ports. I will tell you why the second port is there. I will tell you because this port is in SNMP version. Oh, Taka, you know very good. So SNMP versions. Okay. There are three versions. SNMP version 1 that is called V1, SNMP version 2 that is called V2C. C means community strength. We will discuss about one by one all the versions, no problem. Okay. And the last one is SNMP V3. Okay. Now first we will talk about version 1. Okay. SNMP version. This is the first version.
One.
161. 161. Okay. Visible 161.
Yeah, visible. Yeah.
Now get. I will draw a diagram here. Okay. This is NNS, Network Management Station. This is SNMP. Okay. Now the first command is which command? Get command. Okay. Get command is used to retrieve some information from the device. Maybe I want to check what is the iOS version of the device. I will use get command. Okay. Maybe I want to check is my interface is up and down. I will use get command. This is used to retrieve some information from SNMP client. It is used to retrieve some information from the SNMP client. Very good, Bryce. Okay. Example iOS version interface status or MTU of interface. Or should I write more? Total time of device that it is on. Should I write more? Should I write more? How many packets? Okay, get it. To retrieve some information. I want to take some information. iOS version interface is up or down. MT of the interface. The MT of the interface is mostly 24, 15, 100. If it is fast Ethernet link, like total stand up time, like it is running for the last 3 hours, 24 hours, 36 hours, 2 days, 5 days, 10 days. How much memory left? How much free space? Now, the second one is set. Okay, set command. Taka, you are sleeping. Taka, drink coffee. Go and drink coffee.
Okay.
Quick. Now, that set command. Okay, it is used to set the information on the device. Maybe I want to Example. Maybe I want to change the host name of the device. I will use set command. Set. I want set. And get means to take information. Okay. When Taka, you are writing on your register, this is called set. And when I give you task, you start reading your book. This is called get. You are taking information from your register. Okay. Changing the host name of the, it is used to set the information on the device. Example, changing the host name of the device. Now, the third command is inform. Okay, inform means if and then statement. If and then statement. If this happen, then okay, then I will do this. I will do this or that. Okay, like Bryce follow a rule. If class start, then I will sleep. If no class, no sleep. If class start, then I will sleep. Okay, this is the rule of Bryce. Okay. There is a one student named Bryce. He is very bad. Yes. And he followed this rule. No, he followed this rule and he went out of that class. Where is it? Here, but here we have the router and the NMS. Okay. So I will follow a rule that if the CPU increase by 80%, okay, then send me a message, a syslog message. Syslog message. Okay. If this is if, this is then. If this happen, then okay. Okay, and one more example. If the free space, if the free space of router goes to only 1 MB left, okay, then send me a message. Means a syslog message. Okay, one more example. If the router R1 interface down, then send me a message. Syslog. Okay. If and then if it is down, then only if. It is a rule, it's not compulsory. But you have to send. If, only if, right? If the interface is down, only then you need to send the message. Okay. This is. You need more example. No. More than enough. Okay. Then he will send a message. Who? We can chat like this. That this will continuously send the messages hello to the router. If he stops replying, he will generate a syslog message that maybe the router is not replying something is wrong. If and then. See, it is if and then. It's like Stephen. If we have holiday, then he went to Punjab. If there is no holiday, no Punjab. Or he can go also Punjab. If there is no holiday, then also he can go to
There is
Punjab.
holiday, Stephen cannot take.
If there is no holiday, he is coming to us.
Yes.
Where is it
No,
from?
no, no,
The
no.
day when there is no class, Stephen comes.
Very right, Stephen.
Very right.
The fourth, only four command is there. Okay, the fourth command is get
DPA.
VPN. Then you are late.
Yes.
Why? You missed 20 minutes. You missed this, this.
Oh, this is what?
Or in a short, you missed these things. Oh, now I will write. Okay, get command. Now tell me.
Get command and get next command. Set command.
Oh, very good. Now the get next command. Okay.
Okay.
It is used, see, we talked about get command, right? To get some information, right? Get next will drive more and more information. Maybe I run a get command to get the information about the interfaces, but the get next will tell me how many packets are going, how many packets on interfaces going out and in, packet drop on interfaces, MTU of interface, packet drop. Oh, I write the packet drop. Yes. So it will give more and more information about the interface. Get command give a brief about the interface. Interfaces are up and down, or interfaces are up. But he will tell you more information. Like, okay, what is the MTU of the interface? How many packets are dropped on the interface, right?
More
Taka,
detailed.
Cosmos is there.
More detailed information.
Yes. Taka, T.
Almost same
T,
as get
T,
command.
T, T. Very quick. Only one. Now,
Guilty.
now the next command is, okay, we will wait for him. So these are the total four commands that are in the SNMP version 1. Okay.
Version 1 is the only 4 commands.
Yes.
Okay.
It is not used. So why you are worried about these things? Okay.
Hmm.
You know the port number UDP 161,
Wow.
and these are the commands. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what is the problem? Okay. Now the communication between NMS and SNMP client
Next text.
is plain text.
No secret.
It's plain text. Okay. So it is not secure. Okay. This is the disadvantage that we are not using it because all the information is plain text. Not good. So due to this SNMP version, SNMP version 2 is introduced due to the plain text communication between the devices and the NMS. Now it introduced the concept of very good community string. Community string is called, it is just a plain text password. Okay, it is just a plain text password. So due to this name, the SNMP name is changed from simple network management protocol to SNMP version 2 is not used because the password is plain text. So people used to call SNMP security not my problem. That's why due to community string SNMP version 2 is called version 2C. Okay, and SNMP version 2C introduced one new command that is called bulk, and one new more command that is called, we discussed, inform, right? Track. These are the two commands that are introduced in SNMP version. You discussed in CCNA, RMS, all these things. Okay, so it is just a quick review. Bulk command is, the bulk command is the additional of get. So the command is get bulk. There is a get command in the SNMP version 1. Get means to take the information from the device. Either we want to take the information of iOS version, interfaces are up or down. Get command is used in SNMP version 2. There is a new command that is called get bulk, which it will drive all the detailed information from the SNMP client to NM, all the information. Okay, now trap is also introduced, and I forgot to mention that SNMP version 2C. I mentioned here that it runs on port 161, right? SNMP version 2C also works on UDP and port number 161 and 160. Very good, brilliant student. 162. Now, first thing, why 162 is introduced? Why? Right? Why? No, 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 no. No. Now, why it is introduced? This. Due to this, it is introduced. What is trap? Trap. First, we need to know about what is trap. If we want to know about trap, we should aware about the term that is called inform. Inform means if and then statement. We discussed that, right?
Right.
Now, but when he sent sslog message, right? If and then statement, no acknowledgement. No acknowledgement. Okay? No acknowledgement. So, the new port 162 is used by the trap. Trap is same as inform. Just add the acknowledgement to the packet. That's it, nothing else. Trap adds the acknowledgement to the packet that he generates. See, we discussed in this inform this if and then. If router R1 interface down, then send me a syslog message. He will send it, but he will not wait that whether the NMS get the request or not. But in the trap, he will check. Okay, did he get the? Please send me the acknowledgement. So he will wait the acknowledgement. Now let's discuss about Arjun. It works on UDP all commands of version 1 and version 2 except inform are supported. Now, deployment 3 modes. The first one is no auth. Guys, behave yourself. Please. Okay, there are 3 modes to deploy the SNMP. No auth, and priv. No auth means no authentication between the NMS and client. The router will not authenticate the NMS that whether I'm communicating with the right NMS or not, whether I'm sending all the information about my device, all the running config, everything. I'm sending to the right NMS or maybe some attacker or hacker. So he will not authenticate it. This is the first mode. So this is not used. So we can use either 2 or 3. Let's talk about 2. It will authenticate the NMS and NMS will authenticate the client. Means it is a mutual authentication between the client and server. Like pre-shared key, authentication is pre-shared and that is encrypted. And how the security key is checked. Suppose this is my this and this. So when they want to communicate, okay, when they want to communicate, a key is defined Cisco here, okay, and here also a key is defined Cisco. So I will define one hashing algorithm. Maybe I can use MD5 or maybe I can use SHA. Here also maybe I can use MD5 or I can use SHA. Now why we use MD5 or SHA in the authentication part, right? So what it will do, it will generate the hash of this packet with MD5. So the hash is XY B, not Z. XYB. And here also, I define MD5. So the station will be also maintain generate a hash XYB. Okay. Now, when they will communicate initially, they will send this hash to this router and this hash will be sending to the NMS. Now he will match, okay, my hash and this hash. My hash and this hash is same. This means we have same key. Or he will also match, yes, I have one hash that is this and I got the hash this. Are they same? He said, yes. This means right person. They will not exchange the key because key can be viewed. Somebody doing wire sharp in between, they are exchanging the key. Somebody is doing wire sharp. He can capture the key. And what will happen? He know the password. So rather than doing that, he will send a hash value. Hash value of key. That is irreversible. You cannot write the key from the hash value. So he will just send a hash value. As soon as he get the hash value, maybe he send impossible. Cannot. Irreversible process. See, I can believe this thing that Bryce will open his eyes one day, but I cannot believe in this thing that you can generate the key from the hash value. Yes, maybe both things are impossible. Bryce eyes also close. They will close. So he will send a hash value to the R1. Now R1 will decrypt, sorry, not decrypt. He will generate the hash of his own key. The hash is XYB. He said, yes, I got the XYB. This means the key are same. The key is not exchanged. The key will remain within the device and NMS key will also remain within the station. They will not go on the link. They will just send the hash value to each other. That's it, nothing else. So this is the second mode that they will authenticate the NMS and NMS will authenticate the client. But then after that, everything is in plain text. The communication is plain text, not good.
But the client is authenticated.
Yes, it is authenticated, but the communication is plain text.
Another issue.
Another issue. I will call it now. The third one is priv. Priv means
Privacy.
privacy. Privacy means encryption. Priv means authentication plus encryption. It will authenticate. It will authenticate. Even wait. See, you're talking about key, right? Version 3, you're talking about auth mode. It's like this. This is my client. This is my R1. Okay. I define a key Cisco. Then I will define one hashing algorithm. Maybe I will define MD5. Okay. And here also Cisco. This is my key, and I will define the hashing method. Maybe MD5. It should be same on both the side. Okay.
Okay.
Now, now what I will do? Well, what this PC will do? He will use this algorithm and generate a hash XY.
Z.
No.
It's a D.
No. P. XYP.
Okay.
And here also XYP.
P.
Yes. Now they will send this hash value to each other. If the hash value is same, they will communicate. If it is not same, they will thought that maybe this is some different key. Due to this, he will get a different hash
Yes.
and not match.
Okay. Version 3 case is okay.
Yes.
But
Version 2 it is plain text. Everything is plain text.
I didn't understand. Because version 2 is
Version 2 there no encrypted. He will just send.
No.
He will just send a key Cisco. Anyone can capture it and he will send a key Cisco.
Yes. But why version 2 need hash?
No, there is no hash in the version 2.
No hash.
No hash, nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. A key will be sent from
Yes, on a single mode.
in version 2 there is no hashing, nothing.
Authentication.
So you get it, auth. Now I will talk about priv. Priv means he will authenticate also, plus it will encrypt the all the traffic. It will encrypt the traffic. Whatever the communication is between the client and the NMS and the server on the SNMP client, the whole traffic is encrypted. So I need to, for encryption, I need to define the algorithm, maybe dash 3 dash or AES. Okay,
Okay.
everything is clear till now?
Yeah, maybe.
No, not maybe. Okay, let's move forward. Let's move forward. Okay, now let's discuss about how to deploy the SNMP.
Okay.
Yes, configuration of SNMP. Three-step configuration, very quick and simple. Three-step configuration. Step one, I will define SNMP client. Okay, three-step configuration on SNMP
Okay.
client. Let me tell you now. Step one, I will define a group. Okay, and in group, I will define mode. Okay, step two, I will define NMS location. I will create a user account on SNMP client.
I will locate
I will do what?
I will locate.
I will define NMS location. That what is the IP address of NMS?
And step 3.
I will create a user account. I will create a user account on SNMP client and define the authentication key and privacy key and privacy key. Today I forgot to bring my SNMP server. No. I have it. I downloaded it.
Oh,
Okay.
which one?
MIB. I will take one router and I will take one network management station. The network management station will manage it. Okay.
Okay.
It's not coming again. Just add. Now, this is our topology. This is SNMP client. SNMP client, and this is NMS. The IP address are 192.168.1.1. Okay. No. This is 1 dot. Yes, I assigned the PC 1 dot. Taka, this is my IP. And don't sleep.
No.
IP address 192.168.1 dot 1. Now I will create one access list because maybe I have redundant NMS servers. Okay, so I will define the access list to define the IP address of the network management station. Access list pan permit host 192.168.1.2. This is the IP of NMS. Okay, now the next task is to create the server group. Group name is my group. Okay, my group. Which version you want to see? See, I told you there are three versions, right? C means community string. So I am using version 3. Now I told you that there are three modes. Taka, I told you three modes: auth, no auth, or priv. So I will use priv, means I want to do authentication and encryption. And specify the access list. I want to use this group for access list number is 5, no 10. This is my command. I create a group. Group name is my group. I want to use version 3. I told you to do version 3. I can deploy in 3 modes. So, priv mode. Priv mode means authentication and encryption, and the location of the network management station. Access list 10. Access list 10 is saying the IP address is this. So, I finish step 1 and step 2. Step 3 is to define a user account. SNMP server. User is, the name of the user is Cisco. The name of the user is no Ajay. My DNS, my rule, and my name. You are not serious. This class is not serious. Now Ajay belongs to which group? I will say it is belongs to my group. Which? Yes. My DNS, my rules. Now, which version you created a user Ajay. So in which SNMP version you want to define? I want to define it. Okay. Now tell me the authentication and encryption algorithms.
For example, if I choose other version,
You don't need to define encryption and authentication because it is different. I told you in authentication it can generate a hash, right? So which method you want to use? I will use MD5 and the password is pre-shared key.
version T, Cisco,
No, my DNS, my rules. Okay.
Ajay,
No, Cisco.
Kaka.
You.
Yes.
Now I want to define the encryption. Privacy. Encryption means I will encrypt all the communication between my client and the server. So I will use AES. The size of the key is 128 and this is. Now I created one user, right? Show user. You cannot see it from here. Show user. show run section username. Nothing. You will not see from here. You cannot see SNMP user from here. For this, you need to type show run section SN. Oh, show run section SNMP.
SNMP.
No, section user. Nothing.
Just do show run.
No, not show run. I have some command. Oh, I forgot. Maybe show SNMP user. Yeah. My JNS, my rules. Okay, I don't want to put show run. So this is a unique engine ID, just like OSPF process. It has some process ID, right? This is engine ID. If you want to change it, SNMP server engine ID. It should be 10. Yes, minimum 10. The location is NV. Okay. Authentication, it will use hash. I told you, right? We define MD5 because where it is this. I said hash, right? And for encryption, use AES. So hash and encryption. And yes, I defined everything. Do show history. Let me show you. Do show history. I defined that I want to enable the SNMP version 3 and the location of NMS is through access list. This. No, this one, the last one. How to configure the SNMP3? I will define a group and in group I will define the mode like auth priv, no auth. And I will use this group also to define the NMS location. Where is my network management station? So I defined that my network management station is at access list 10. Access list means 192.168.1.2. This means the IP address of NMS is 192.168.1.2. Now I need to create one user account that will access all the my devices. So I created by username Ajay. I put him in group 3. Group 3 says use the mode priv. Privacy means authentication plus. I explained here. Authentication plus it will encrypt the traffic. I can decrypt it. I will show you. In Wildcard we will capture it and I will show you how to decrypt it. So authentication, I'm using MD5 means hash the Cisco. Don't send the key Cisco. Keep it with yourself. Just send the hash value. Yes. Privacy means when you are communicating, maybe you are sending your information about devices or the iOS version, whatever, by using AES and the size of the key is 128 bit. Finish. Okay. If you want to enable the traps, traps.
Why there is another system?
Yes, another 129.
This this will be used to generate the keys. I just define it. I want to use same encryption key, right? If I had same encryption key on the server and the client, then only if I'm encrypting, then the client can decrypt, right?
Okay, you are going to use Cisco to encrypt the traffic.
See, if he is sending something, maybe he server send get command, give me the information, right? The get command is also encrypted. So this client has some software that can decrypt it. Which means same key to encrypt, same key to decrypt. So to generate that, I said to generate the encryption algorithm, use the key Cisco. And on the server also, I will say key Cisco for encryption algorithm.
And the first Cisco is the key that you generate the hash and send it to the key.
This is the key for the authentication. This is separate thing.
Yes.
And
And Cisco is
for encryption, you can type hello, ABC, anything. But it should be same on the both the end because this is the word that is used to generate the encryption key. So the encryption key is not shared. It will remain with the server and it will remain with the client. So I said them, okay, I'm not using any Duffy Hellman group that will automatically generate it. So I said that, okay, generate a key but use Cisco. Due to this, a encryption key will be generated by using Cisco. And on the server also, I will define use encryption algorithm AES 128 and use key Cisco. This means on both ends, I define the key. So the algorithm is same. The algorithm is same, and they can communicate via encryption. This is the word. If you define this word, the algorithm will run by using a key Cisco, and on the other end also, I define this word. A key algorithm will run by using Cisco, same key. The result is a same key on both the end. SNMP server, okay? Enable. Okay, SNMP server host traps. 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 Now, I can define version, but I already defined the version. So there is one option. Use username Ajay. Now, see, he said SNMP server, the location, and I said, he asked me, okay, which version? Which version? I said, I have already account Ajay. So he will go to Ajay. Ajay said version 3 and everything. Now, which type of messages you want to check? I want to check the EIGRP neighborship. If something happened, tell me. SNMP server, SNMP server, anything I can tell you for this. Yes, this last command, enable. Cannot enable both sham link, link state up. No sham link interface trap not enabled. No problem. No problem. Don't enable. Now we can see with the EIGRP. This is my server. Bryce, study. Some why AC is low? Why? Bryce, what do you want in your life? Problems.
Actually, is our electric farming.
If I say something, it is in Hindi, so you will not decrypt it. So leave it. Okay. I have set up. So if someone needs setup, I will give him. Or I should tell you how to install. Okay. Installation is really difficult because you need to add some keys. You define. You need to type some addresses, some Java. So I will tell you how to install. Okay. Because you need to type some specific codes for installation, like SNMP version, what. Sort by name. So in the lab, if they will give you SNMP, but only the commands. And they will tell you that configure a SNMP with the username U1 or maybe U2. The encryption algorithm is this. The mode is auth. So yes. Now this is the setup. Okay. You need to type first next. Yes. Next. Okay. Next. Next. That's it. If you have time, you can read the README file. Okay. You can come in the night, install it, and you can read the README text all night. And you can make some notes or something. Very important. So you need to type all the codes. It is recorded in the video, so you can view it, and then you are not serious. It will prompt like this. Don't think that it is crash or something. Okay. This is my tool. So first I need to tell this NMS that you have one client and the IP address of client is 192.168.1. First let me check the reachability. CMD 192.168.1.1. It can ping. Now edit settings. Which version? Version? Okay, 3.3. Is there any user you can see here? See, it is the any user? No, it is blank, right? Why? Because it is just installed. Target host. IP address is 192.168.1.1. Okay. Username is Ajay. Yes, it should be same because it will allow only that user to access his database because router database is very critical. If someone can drive all the information from the device or can configure anything, there must be security. So which mode you want to use? No auth, no priv, auth. Okay. Which protocol? I told you that he will ask for the protocol. MD5. Okay. The keys. Okay. Cross check. Cisco. Encryption algorithm. Oh, it support AES only and DES, not DDES. No problem. Yes. Okay. See, now you can see. Yes. No, 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 no. I don't want to give my information to someone. No, no. Not content, context name. Finish. Okay. Finish. The configuration is finished. Now, whoa. Now I define it right. Now I will go to maybe or this. This is SNMP version 2. So we are not using SNMP version 2. So I will skip it. I will use this management or I can say walk. So he is getting all the information, whatever the information is in the device, he will take all the information. Okay, it's taking all the. Let me stop it because it is a very lengthy. Stop. See, he took this information, everything, like.
If I want to get more information, how many times? How many times?
It will take 5 minutes. Depend upon the speed of the routers and the SNMP hardware. See, he took the information that first we start with this. The Cisco iOS software. He is running for the last 24 minutes 46 seconds. Then he took the host name. Host name is R1. So he took this information. Some are readable, right? Then he took some information about. Yes. Then he took the information. Then he reaches to the interface. Fast Ethernet 0, Fast Ethernet 0/1. MTU, the speed. Then he took the MAC address, up or down status. So you can take even if you don't want the full information, you can retrieve What you want to take? You want to take the MTU, base, unicast packets, discard packets, the packets that are dropped due to errors, whatever you want. So you will not get any GUI in the lab. Your task just is to configure the SNMP client, not the. But here you can take all the information, right? Admin state, last change, unicast, drop, multicast, whatever you want to check. Okay. Now let's open the Wireshark. Okay. To check whether the packets are encrypted or not. Start the. Let me turn on some feature. Okay. See, encrypted, right?
Yeah.
Everything is.
Encrypted.
Let's decrypt it. Okay.
Encrypted key.
Because he don't know the how to decrypt it. Privacy key. He don't know how to decrypt it. It is showing. Because this algorithm is generated by me by using key Cisco. So you don't know about the algorithm how to. I will say protocol preferences. The protocol is edit. Okay. Let me delete this older entries. So as soon as you put it on the edit, okay, edit new engine ID is what is the engine ID? Show SNMP. Show the engine ID is this. Okay, I paste it. Username is authentication is the password is for privacy is oh okay. This would be 128. Maybe this is 128. Yes. Cisco, we will check it. If it works, then I can define 192. Cisco, okay. Oh, everything is decrypted. Yes.
Everything.
Everything. Each form.
Very easy.
I have told you that it uses port 161.
Okay, get it.